Welcome once again to day 14 of the Build Your Side Business in 21 Days Masterclass. And after this episode, we'll be moving to the launching of your side business session of the Masterclass. But today, which is day 14, we'll be looking at how to automate your side business. So, just like I have said, today we want to list out the steps or the sequence that you need to write out or you need to create in order that your business offer or your side business offer may reach your ideal customer. And we are going to do that in an orderly manner, and we are going to use tools and platforms to be able to automate it in the simplest form possible. We are going to be using emails and chatbots to get this done. So in the last episode, I talked about how to set a way of getting paid for your product or service. And previous episodes also, I want to believe you will need it. So there's a playlist in the description section below this video that you can click to watch the previous episode of Build Your Side Business in 21 Days. So now we want to create an automated sequence that will show series of activities like messages, feedbacks, interaction that you need to set up, such that your prospect or your customers will be able to engage as you are launching your side business. In this stage, you are the one determining the type of action. Of course, ultimate action is for you to make sales. You are determining the type of action to be taken on your offer by people who come around, who interact with that offer or the side business you are launching. So there's a need for you to, set up this sequence in a predictable way. Now, I'll be using email and chatbots for this automation. So even if you don't have a website, just hang in there, we'll find a way around it. So let me go to the first type of sequence I want to create. Let me look at creating sequence for lead generation. So I want to create a sequence or a list of activity for lead generation. Now, first foremost, what I need to do is to decide on the email service provider or chatbots that I want to use. So you need to create an account. Personally, I use SendPulse as an email marketing platform for all my email marketing activities. And I want you to register and create an account. There's a link for you to create an account on SendPulse, and you'll be able to send 15,000 emails every single month. Then you can also use your Google Forms and Gmail to also send emails. Gmail helps you to send close to 500 emails every single day. So then for my chatbots, I'll be using WhatsApp chatbots. So we have different WhatsApp chatbots on the Google Play Store, on your iOS store. You can go and download some of them. Wamation is also very powerful. We also have WhatsApp autoresponder that you can also use. So you need to decide the type of automation tool. Then the next thing you need to do is to decide on your lead magnet on that offer. You need to create a lead magnet. So what is a lead magnet? In short, a lead magnet is something of value you give in exchange for other people's contacts. So in exchange for their email address or their phone number, it could be PDF resource, it could be videos, it could be free video, free audio, or free podcast. It could be a free training on even WhatsApp. So these are lead magnets. So you need to create a lead magnet around that offer such that you want to attract people into your offer. The next thing you need to do is to write a copy. You need to write a copy using your storytelling technique that I shared in previous episode, and ensure that you put in your irresistible call to action. Then you are writing copy for your lead magnet, you are writing copy for your offer. These are very, very important. Then after writing all this on your notepad, then you need to also write out a welcome message to those who join your list, and letting them know who you are and what they will get from joining that your list. Then after you have done all this, you can then create that sequence on your tools. For example, on SendPulse, you can go to the automation section. Then on WhatsApp, you can use your WhatsApp automation tools. Then you can set up those messages there, so that when people click on that your lead magnet, those sequence will just fall in and they will be in that offer. Then you can nurture them till they buy from you. Then let's look at sales. For sales now, this is how I will do. This is what I will do. So I will just imagine my prospect visiting my offer page. And my offer page could be on my own website, personal website, or I can use some other free platforms that gives me the ability to create my own sales page, such that when I share the link with people, when they click it, they will have access to what I am offering them. Then I need to also now imagine that once my customer click on that sales page to order for that product, if you are using Paystack online store, you are using Flutterwave online store, like I shared in a previous episode, this is also fine. So you need to be able to look at it. What will happen when they click on that platform? So once they click on order to order your product, upon payment for that product, then you should create a way such that when people pay, they are redirected to a page. Perhaps we always call that page thank you page, or download page, or access page, such that once they pay, they get access to their offer. And as they get access to their offer, you also create an automation such that once they make payment, they receive a confirmation or thank you email on their email address they use in making purchases, to get more information about that product. And you can even upsell and cross-sell the offer from that. Then as they are you are sending that email, that thank you email to them, they should also be added to your mailing list, or a WhatsApp a group or WhatsApp campaign. So you should create a link even on that thank you page, so that they can join your WhatsApp group, join your Telegram group, or any other group or list you want them to join, so that you can follow them up and even sell more to them. So with this in mind, with this mind map that we have in place, you can decide to also work this out yourself. Then look at other things you can do, other automation you can render, such that you will get the best result possible. Then after you are setting up this sequence, you need to troubleshoot. I need to say this very well. And by doing that, you need to test yourself. Make sure that nothing is wrong with your sequence. Test the page you are using. Test trigger those automation. Ensure that you are receiving the email when you make purchases, so that what you experience, they will also experience. Then you should also ensure that you provide a support system, such as your email, your phone number, so that they can be able to reach you even if they run into any problem. So moving forward, I need you to create your own lead generation, your follow-up sequence, your engagement sequence based on the offer you are launching. So sequencing and automation makes your life and that of your business very interesting. So the task of the day is just for you to design your own sequence. So if you find today resourceful, I want you to share, to recommend, to like, and drop a comment on this comment section. My name is Shonde Abiola David. People call me Uncle Alikama. I help people get what they want legitimately online using the prevailing digital technology. Till I come your way next time, remain positive. Bye for now.